Hey guys, so I just created this pinkish and purplish kind of look. This is the first time I actually did this kind of look, and I didn't practice it or anything, so I just like went off on a whim. It was crazy. Just when I didn't film the parts that I didn't want to film, I dropped a whole bunch of stuff on the floor, so my floor is a little dirty. It's fine, but if you guys want to see how you get this look, please keep on watching. Bam! So I just started off with the Pores Be Pure Skin Clarifying Mud Mask. It's the strawberry and yarrow. Pretty sure that's what it is. It's amazing. I love it. I'm just gonna go in with this Rosehip Argan Oil facial serum. I love this. So I just kind of like, I should put my hair back. I'm just gonna go in this green tea lotion. I'm honestly not sure where I got this from, but it works. I think I've had it for a while. It's apparently marketed by Walmart, so go to Walmart and get this. I put so much stuff on my face just because I don't want my skin to dry out, especially when I'm wearing makeup, because like I will get patches and patches of stuff on my face, and I'm like, this isn't cute. Like, what if I was trying to impress someone? Like, they're gonna be like, you got something on your face. Like, I'm not trying to do that. Hey guys, sorry, I just didn't want to put in the next few clips because they were still out of focus and it made me a little upset. But I just wanted to let you know what I did next in this next clip was I just put on my Maybelline Master Primer in base. It was the Blur and Smooth. I love that primer. And then I just put on my Professional around my T-zone. And then next I concealed my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey, and I just put some CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder in the shade 115 Translucent Medium using my Real Techniques powder fix brush. I'm just going to take this crease brush. I have no idea where I got it, but yeah, and I'm just going to go in lightly with this e.l.f. Flawless eyeshadow palette. It is in Purple Party. I don't even know if they still have these, but yeah, I got it as like a gift. I don't know, I've used it a couple times for just a purple look, and I'm just gonna use the base color up on top. It's a really, really light pink. Now with the same brush, because germs, I'm just going to go in with this Mary Kay thing. I've had this for quite a while. It's in Mauve Satin. I think it's a blush. I'm pretty sure it is, but I'm just going to go kind of, ooh, this thing is like slippery. It's like, yeah, whatever, it's fine. But I'm just gonna go in with this color on my crease. Now I'm just gonna go in with a darker color. It's in Very Berry. They're all blushes, I'm pretty sure, I think. And I'm just gonna go with a darker pink. It's in Mulberry. Same brush again because I don't have time to switch brushes. Just kidding, I'm just too lazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna focus on the outer V. Mine's like a outer circle. I'm gonna go with my Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and I'm just going to mix the color that I just took on my outer corner, and I'm gonna do Infugo right here. Ooh, okay, hello. I see you. That's what I was looking for. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more, just to really darken it up. Actually, I don't know if I want to use this palette. I don't know if I want to use this palette or this. I think this is another thing by Profusion. This just has a lot of other colors. You can see these have been popular, and these two up here were popular at one point. But I think I'm just gonna go in with this other like little small packing brush. It's the same thing. It's an eyeshadow brush, it says, but I'm just gonna go in with this pink right here. I'm just gonna put that right on the outer part just to shimmer it up just a bit. Yeah, I have fallout. That didn't work. I think this was a waste of time on that one. I'm just gonna go with the shade below that. Yeah, I'll just go for it and just put that over the outer just to shimmer it up, because why not? That's done with that palette, it's too shimmery. It's gonna be all over my face now. I'm really very happy. I'm just gonna go back in with this fluffy brush with the dark color that I did in the Mary Kay. I'm just gonna go in with my Target Toasted palette now, and I'm just gonna use the color S'more, and that is the lightest color right here. And I'm just gonna do that kind of over my inner corner. I'm just gonna go back in with that same dark color, and I'm just gonna blend it in just a wee bit. I'm just gonna go in with this small little packer brush, and I got these brushes. I have a lot of them. I have like a set of them, a full set, and I got them off like a website that I don't even know where it came from. It was cheap. And now I'm just gonna go into this Profusion palette like I showed you before, Bright Eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with this red color right here. Hopefully this works just a little bit better. Okay, the fallout is terrible. I'll make this work, guys, I promise. Just kidding, I can't promise anything. I'll try it with this other palette. Okay. Okay, this is the lightest pink that I'm using, so. We're gonna blend those two colors together again with the one with the Naked Heat palette. So I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid lipstick. It's in Possessed Plum, number 50. Hey guys, I just put on the lipstick for my winged eyeliner. I really liked how it turned out, and I just set it with the dark purple in the e.l.f. palette that I showed you earlier in the tutorial. And I noticed it kind of creased a little bit up on top, so I just blended that out with a blending brush. I'm just putting the Makeup Forever HD foundation stick. I'm in Y375, just on my cheeks and then a little bit on my forehead, just for a little bit more full coverage. Oh yeah, on my chin. Just make it a little bit lighter because this is kind of dark for my skin for this time of year. So I just put on some Ardell Double Up Wispies and then put on my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Definer in Ebony, and then just set that with the Balm powder, eyebrow powder in dark brown. I'm going to go in with this, with this small e.l.f. Professional Eye Crease brush. And we're gonna go in with the mixture of, should I go in with this? It's by e.l.f. too. I have a lot of e.l.f. stuff, I'm sorry. It's in Mulberry Maven. I think I might put that on my lash. Whatever. I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm just gonna blend that out with the dark blush shade, just so it's not so heavy. Okay, now I'm gonna go with my Dinky-Ty palette with the For You Go whatever, with a little bit of ashes. It's the color to the right of the palette if you're looking at the way I am. Whatever. I'm just gonna go in with this e.l.f. blending brush. Now I'm gonna go in with some L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. So I'm just gonna use the Hula Bronzer by Benefit with this e.l.f. Kabuki brush. And I'm just gonna use this Tarte Hotel Iris Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer just to hide all my chins. I will blend this all in, don't worry. Now I'm gonna go in with my Fit Me Matte. And now for highlight, yes. I'm going to be using my Anastasia Glow Kit. In Sun Dipped, if I can open it up. And I'm just going to be using basically all of these colors. And I'm just going to go in with just a smaller flat brush with Summer and Moonstone. So those are two lightest colors on my brush, and just do my brow bone. And connect it with my actual highlight. And just for a little pink, I'm gonna go in with this Becca one. This is the Highlights palette, Next Lips. And I'm just going to wipe my lips off. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. I think that's what it says. I know I have another one. But this is a different color, but whatever. Yeah, Infallible. Well, this is the Pro Glass, but this is the matte one. But yeah, and this is this is the shade 316 Statement Nude. And then over the top, I'm just gonna use my Anastasia Moon Jelly Lip Gloss. And now I'll just set my face with the NYX Dewy a long-lasting setting spray. It won't leave my skin dewy. Sometimes I'll just have to like go over my face a little bit more. Yeah. I literally forgot to film an outro because I am the worst. But if you like this look, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Bye!